Hi SEOs, today I want to show you how you can get keyword insights from any subreddit. The insights that you can get are like these groups of keywords and this word cloud and a file of Excel that you can download. The idea of creating this tool came to my mind when I wrote this article on Moz and I received great feedback from the SEO community. But the process with this ChatGPT and Python thing was a little complicated, so I decided to make the process easier with this tool. But let's see how we can use it. You need client ID and secret key from Reddit. Just log into Reddit, click on this icon, go to settings, go to privacy tab, and click on third party app authorization. After this, you need to click on this button and select a name, for example, test, select a script here, and then write any URL. For example, here I paste the link to my Twitter account and then say, yes, you're not a robot, and create the app. Now you have your secret key and client ID. Now let's copy the client ID and paste it in the right place. Next thing to copy is the secret key. I will paste it here and now write a subreddit name. For example, I will write SEO, and after this you need to select a type of questions. So on Reddit we have newest and hottest questions. For this case I will select hottest because I want to see what are the hottest topics on SEO today, and I will select a number of keywords. So you need a good number of keywords actually in order to get good data. I will select something around 500 keywords. Now let's go to the next slider. This slider is asking for the number of top upvoted answers for each question. I will select 2. So it will get the top 2 upvoted answers for each question if they have at least 2 upvoted questions. And here for the output table, we will select that how many keywords we want to see. For example, I will select 10 for this one. And here you can add any stop words that you have in mind, but currently this tool automatically recognizes the stop words and removes them. But after you fetch and analyze keywords, you might want to add more stop words and update it. So now I will click here. The tool starts loading the data. It's 500 questions. It will definitely take some time. So I'll be back when data is ready. Okay, after 5 to 6 minutes, we're done with the fetching of the data, and we can take a look at the output. For example, here we have SEO, like, content. Okay, these are the keywords that we have. It doesn't look bad at the first glance. And then for 2-word queries, this is the next output that we have. You can see we have some other keywords, and for 3-word queries. But what I really want to do is I'm seeing, for example, make sure or would like. These are keywords that are included. I want to exclude them. So I will add them as stop words like sure, and the other one can be like, another one can be get. So I will write these stop words and hit the update button. Now you can see these keywords are updated, but I don't want to see a keyword like would as well or want. So let's filter them. Would, want, update the tool. It looks better now. And then, you can keep filtering the keywords that you don't want to see them in the output to have a cleaner output. And finally, we can take a look at the keywords that we have. And then, for example, here, based on this, I see that Google Search Console is a hot topic these days. Grumpy SEO guy, I think it's a YouTube channel, or SEO guy episode. Yeah, people are looking for that. So these are the queries that have been discussed, and maybe it can give you some ideas on the content or even social media strategy that you want to have. And it's really helpful. This word cloud is also here to give you some insights, and you also have access to all of the questions and the answers that were fetched. So you can see here all of the questions and the answers. And the important point here about this tool is that if the same keyword is being repeated in same question. So for example, if this question is repeating the word spam 10 times, it's not being counted as 10 repetition of that keyword. So each keyword is counted only once for each question. And the last thing that I would like to show you is that you can download this Excel file. It's just ready after a single click. And let me bring it here so you can take a look as well. We have one-word queries, two-word queries, and we have a limit of 100 keywords. So I just extract the top 100 keywords. You can take a deeper look yourself, analyze the keywords, and then take it from here based on your creativity. Okay, that's all I had to share with you today. Hope this tool is useful for you. If you have any thoughts, comments, questions, just leave the comment under this YouTube video and I will be more than happy to answer your questions.